Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your Simpin on your Motorola Moto G23. Maybe you have a really complicated Simpin, maybe it got in the wrong hands, whatever it is. We're going to go to our settings, go to security, and then go to more security settings. Now you want to go to SIM card lock and click on change Simpin. Now you need to put in your old Simpin and then put in your new Simpin. 1234 times 0. Retype that and click on OK. Simpin changed successfully. So now if you have to restart your phone, you're gonna use your new Simpin. Little side note, you want to be a bit more creative than I am right now. 1234 4 times 0 are not the safest option for a pin. So that's how you change your Simpin on your Motorola Moto G23. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.